Hello, boys and girls. We're going to do the next part. Now we've got everything set up. So now we're going to start coding it. So what I want to happen is I want it to come inside of the spaceship. So I'm going to use a new event. I'm going to come over here to the bananas and I'm going to use an event. So I'm going to say when this sprite is clicked, I want it to glide. So I'm going to come over here under motion. Instead of just go to, there's a button here called glide. And I'm going to say instead of a random position, I'm going to tell it to glide to the rocket ship. So when this sprite is clicked, it's going to glide to the rocket ship. So now when I click it, it would glide to the rocket ship. So then I can click on all of the different items to do that. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say to this one, I'm going to say when this sprite is clicked, I want it to glide to the rocket ship. And I'm going to do that with all of them. Now, one thing if you have code like this, and then once it gets to the rocket ship, now I'm going to have it go. And if I click on the banana, okay, but it's still there. So now I want it to hide. So I'm going to go under my purples and I'm going to tell it to hide. But if I tell something to hide at the beginning, I need to tell it to show. So now what I can do, now that I have this code and I want it on the others, I'm going to come over here and just drag it to the other codes. So that is a little bit of a shortcut because then I don't have to code them all the same. So they all have the same code. I just drag it over. So now you see they all have that code. So when the sprite is clicked, glide to the rocket ship and hide. So now when I click the flag, so they go to the rocket ship and hide. So now the last one we need to code is her. So I'm going to come back over to her. I already told it to say when the flag is clicked, go to here. So now what I'm going to say is I'm going to have her say something. So I'm going to come back over here to say, and I'm going to say click on all the objects. And after I'm going to have her, now we have 5 objects. They are gliding 1 second. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to tell her to wait. I'm actually going to say instead of 5, I'm going to say wait 7 seconds just to give other people time to click on things. So I'm going to have her wait 7 seconds. And then I'm going to say, click on me to get in. So now I'm going to use that same event. I'm going to say, when this sprite is clicked, go to a random position. So I'm going to have it, instead of random position, I'm going to change it to the rocket ship. And once again, I'm going to have her hide because I want her inside the rocket ship. So now let's try it again. So I hit here, click on all the objects. Okay, did you notice that what I forgot? There was only the banana showing. That I told the banana to show, but did I tell all the others to show? So I need to come back on all of the others and add a show. So if all of a sudden you're like, wait, where is everything? If you tell something to hide, you need to remember to tell it to show. So that's just one little debugging trick that might help you if you're like, wait, where is everything? Let's try it one more time. Click on all the objects. And there they go. So that is all of this project. The next project, we are going to launch the rocket.